Imagine this. Everything you've worked for your entire life, gone overnight. Your home, your job, your dreams, all turned to ashes. But what if I told you that hidden in those ashes was the seed of one of the most creative brands the world has ever seen? This isn't just the story of a toy company. It's the story of a man who refused to give up. This is the story of Lego. Early 1930s. A small town in Denmark. A humble carpenter named Old Kurt Christensen. The Great Depression had crushed everything. The world had gone silent, and Old's business was dying. Then he thought, if a child smiles, the world begins again. So he started making toys. Small, simple, wooden toys. So affordable that even poor families could buy them. He lived on hope. He worked with faith. But fate had other plans. One night, tragedy struck. His workshop burned to the ground. His little son barely escaped the flames. Everything Ole owned, every dream, gone in a single night. He went bankrupt. Lost everything. The town told him, "It's over, Ole. Stop now." But Ole believed something else. A man who can dream can never be stopped by fire. So he started over, built his workshop again, made beautiful toys for children once more. And for a moment, happiness returned. Then, another fire. Again, everything was gone. Most people would have quit. But Ole wasn't most people. One day, he discovered a new material, plastic. People laughed. "Who would want plastic toys when you can have wood?" they said. But Ole saw something they didn't. He saw pieces that could break and be rebuilt, just like life. In 1949, the first plastic Lego bricks were born. Then in 1958, his son created the locking system, the real revolution. Now, every brick could connect to another. Endless imagination. Infinite worlds. Build it. Break it. Rebuild it again. Even mistakes were part of the play. Lego was thriving. But success never lasts forever. By 2003, Lego faced collapse again. This time, the fire came in the form of video games. Screens had stolen children's imagination. Lego reported its biggest loss in history. Everyone said the same thing. It's over. But they forgot one thing. Lego's DNA carried a message. When everything falls apart, rebuild. A new team stepped in. And one young designer had an idea. Why don't we ask the kids what they dream of? That question changed everything. Through innovation and research, Lego reinvented itself, piece by piece, and found its way back into children's hands. From a single plastic brick to cities, worlds, and universes, Lego was alive again. Then came the Lego Movie, a masterpiece and a message. To the world of video games, Lego said, "You can destroy anything, but you can always rebuild." That's Ole's message. That's Lego's message. And maybe it's yours too. Life burns us down sometimes. But inside the ashes, there's always the power to begin again. Lego proved it. Yes, you can do it too, even from zero. Subscribe to our channel, because here, we tell the stories of those who started from nothing. For Lego, every brick was a step. And you know what? Sometimes, one small step is all it takes to start again. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next piece.